Thank you, ma'am. My name is Ramkishan Awad. My research topic is Sri Lanka strategic important from Indian approach. Uh, Introduction, I will. The India and Sri Lanka is close neighbor, and in a lot of year ago, is relation is good, and but uh, uh, 14 years ago, the ethnic problem of Sri Lanka and start will be civil war. the, geostrategic Sri Lanka geostrategic has a hang impact on Indian security. Therefore, Sri Lanka geopolitics has gained importance from Indian security point of view. The elements of geostrategic relationship are always mutually uh, execute in a geostrategic environmental relation with neighbors are naturally very important. The having a stable, friendly, and peaceful neighbors helps reduce the cost of political, economical, and military resources. Maintaining relations with our neighbors should be a priority in the foreign policy of any nation. This India approach the India approach do to its geographically proximity to the south of India, and its location is very important place in Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is considerably too strategically important to India. The study of certain factors is important. It's in interpreting Sri Lanka from the Indian strategic point of view. There are three main reasons that affect on India's strategic relationship with Sri Lanka. One, security, two, economics, and third, ethnic unity of Tamil living in South India and northwest Sri Lanka. Are there three reasons? uh, Maritime trade routes. Sri Lanka geographically location can play an important role in maintaining the Indian security. Sri Lanka is located at the center of maritime trade routes in West Asia, as well as in the middle of Africa, the Arab and Eastern worlds. The merchant ship sailing from the port of Kolkata and Yangon to the Suez Canal, use of the best port in Sri Lanka, Colombo and Trincomalee. The island of Sri Lanka is major hub for communication, trade and naval movement in the Indian Ocean region. The Trincomalee main is naval basis port. The entry into Sri Lanka could allow the outside regional powers to dominate the sea route. This could hamper India waterway shipping. The Sri Lanka as a security guard. The waterway in the Indian Ocean become important for the Indian global trade expansion. Indian oil was transported in the large quantities through the Indian Ocean. It anciently to meet India over increasing energy needs. The India see Sri Lanka as a security guard for its security in the Indian Ocean. Uh, Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is the Indian southernmost security nation. That why before the independence, the British had recognized the strategic importance of an island nation like Sri Lanka. That why the concept of strategic unity, but India and Sri Lanka has long been considerably essentially for the Indians security. uh, Today is the sea power very important. Sea power is determined by geographically location, natural resource, industrial development, population, transportation, communications, international responsibility, and merchant shipping. Sea power and strategic always mention three factors, namely naval, commercial, and merchant ships. The development of satellite communication has reduced the distance between island, and mainland. uh, Other country effect, the end of terrorism in Sri Lanka has opened up any new avenue for the improving the strategic relationship between India and Sri Lanka, but political integration and growing presence of China and Pakistan in Sri Lanka have a limited India strategy. The thinker said that the India failure to play a leadership and defense role has hold a narrow effect on Sri Lanka. Indo-US relation have increased due to the decline. The strategic important for sorry strategic important for the India in Sri Lanka. The since end of the Cold War, India and the United Nations have coordinated on Sri Lankan strategic policy. Given the current development, India has a strategic interested in Sri Lanka. So India's strategic policies Sri Lanka has been incensed protected Indian security and economic interest. Uh, Friendly relation with a strategic power like India, Sri Lanka should be maintenance friendly relations with India for the own strategic interests. India also feel the need to build more positive relation its neighbors for its own benefit. Sri Lanka strategic interests have changed since the Cold War for the practical reason uh, practical reason of geopolitics balance of power. uh, uh, Economic reason, India has a particularly economic reason to ensure stable security in security and around the Indian Ocean. The important about the 89% oil from the international trade by sea. Therefore, Sri Lanka is playing an important role in Indian maritime trade. About 70% Indian transport are sent to Indian ports through the port of Colombo. And additional Sri Lanka position in the Indian Ocean is important for naval power initiative. Therefore, Colombo is an important place for the military planning of the major powers in region. Sri Lanka geostrategic position and importance. Sri Lanka is an invaluable location. The busiest east-west shipping route is only 6 to 10 nautical miles from the island of Sri Lanka. Every year, more than 6,000 ships and 6,000 ships, uh, two-third two-third of the world oil and 50% container pass through the routes. Along with uh, Sri Lanka, India market is also growing movements.
Ramkishan, you have only 1 or 2 minutes left.
Yes.
You have only 1 or 2 minutes left out
Okay, sir.
to conclude.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sri Lanka is major base for military bases and maritime security in Indian Ocean, and Sri Lanka is very important place to establish naval base to monitor the Indian Ocean. And today 2010, the Sri Lankan president, the vision Mahindra Chintana, the vision announced the Sri Lanka profit per capital and making the country a wonder of Asia. And Sri Lanka and India and Sri Lanka relation, geographically relation is close, 32 kilometers only distance. And my conclusion is, Sri Lanka, the South India security depend on Sri Lanka. The India and Sri Lanka relation is good relation. Thank you.